College pun fibro session part te hakane ka video komentar and solve ka question kabadai jong ka post LDA Meghalaya Secretariat ka exam kabadai tarik banai ba ar jar sau ane ka post belakan mi Oktober ar jar fly te hakane ka video komentar and solve kabadai tang jong ka general awareness and aptitude mo tangane ka pan ka balong tang new santali question Shispa san po max armak we question but hangni umdon negative marking te kane ka question ka banga solve kadai ka series number 1 te sa check ma phi ki question nomor ba question ki digi juhi ka super tang ki number ka ye jumble no ik number te ka dai phi dai ka series 2 na series 3 ru kawan hajuhi tama phi page ma phi ki question kawan ha number ba no part B general awareness and aptitude chispa san phomak ingne solve mentai kini ki answer ki bang adap solve each question carries 2 marks koi question kolong armak a few years back the Indian rupee was given a unique symbol. Who is the designer of the symbol? Hangne correct answer hangne kare D Udaya Kumar nemo D Udaya Kumar. Which of the following countries has become the 189 member of the World Bank? Category Nauru, D. Nauru. Second one check. 79. Which of the following had won the Nobel Prize 2016 in the field of economic science? Correct answer D. Both A and B. Arjuna Award is given for outstanding performance in sports. A gitu. The book Sleepwalker Dream was written by correct answer Dhruva Jyoti Bora. B is the correct answer. And 81. Which generation of computer is based on the concept of artificial intelligence AI? Fifth generation. D is the correct answer. What is a banker check? Correct answer is B. Demand draft. 83. Inflation usually lead to D. Rise in general price index. D. Correct answer. 84. Which nationalized bank has the largest number of branches? Correct answer is B. State Bank of India. The chairman of the Niti Aayog in India is the correct answer is C. Prime Minister. 86. Which among the following is the author of the book Midnight Children? Correct answer is B. Salman Rushdie. World Environment Day is celebrated in every year on 5th June. Kanya post beyond Rokawan 5th June. Then 88. Which of the following is the boundary line between India and China? Kanya McMahon line. C. McMahon line. Which of the following is the capital of Bulgaria? Correct answer is B. Sofia. What is the full form of the abbreviation IRDAI? Correct answer is B. Insurance Regularity and Development Authority of India. 91. Which of the following state is the bull taming festival Jallikattu play? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. D. Tamil Nadu. 92. Which among the following is the author of the book Indomitable Spirit? Correct answer is A. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the full form of RTGS? Correct answer is B. Real Time Gross Settlement. The headquarters of the International Monetary Fund IMF is located in. Correct answer is C. Washington DC, USA. The Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has formed a committee on corporate governance. Which of the following is that committee? Correct answer is C. Uday Kotak Committee. In which of the following country is the Chabahar port located? The correct answer is B. Iran. A closed economy is an economy in which answer D. Neither export nor import take place. One check. 98. The government has undertaken grading and standardization of various agricultural products through the correct answer is B. Directorate of Marketing and Inspection. The purpose of the India Brand Equity Fund is, correct answer will be to make meet in India a level of quality. 100. What is Google tax in India? The correct answer is B. It is a tax levied on foreign e-commerce company income. Which of the following rate is not determined by the RBI? Correct answer is C. Prime lending rate. Which of the following type of bank are allowed to operate foreign currency account? Correct answer is C. Nationalized bank. Then 1 to 3. What is the full form of FII? Foreign institutional investment. D is the correct answer. Which of the following is a public sector? Correct answer is D. BHEL. Which of the following organization is known for the market as the market regulator in India? B. SEBI. In banking terminology, what is the full form of NPA? Full form ang correct answer is C. Non-performing assets, NPA. VMAX is related to which of the following? D. Communication technology. Which of the following had won his 5th FIFA Best Player Award in 2017? Correct answer is B. Cristiano Ronaldo. 109. Disguise unemployment generally means. Correct answer is C. Marginal productivity of labor is 0. In the index of age core industry, which one of the following is given the highest weight? Correct answer is B. Electricity generation. Which of the following is not a feature of limited liability partnership firm? Correct answer is A. Partner should be less than 20. Grameen Bank, which is known as the Bank of the Poor, is an organization based in Bangladesh. C. Which of the following foreign banks has the largest number of branches in India? Standard Chartered Bank. D. How many 3 letters meaningful words can be formed from the word tears beginning with A and without repeating any letter within that word? So, tang 3 letter, kamot ba? Sedang lau A, A-T-E, to kadibit 3 words. A-T-E, A-R-E, but A-R-T. So, B is the correct answer. 115. If A is substituted by 1, B by 2, and so on up to Z, which is substituted by 26, then what will be the sum of the number substituted for the word decay? The correct answer is 38. Vinod introduced Vishal as the son of the only brother of his father's wife. How is Vinod related to Vishal? Correct answer is A. Cousin. 3 of the following 4 are large in a certain way and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to that group? Kadai 53 nomor kini kiwi baru kadiki even number tu te long pair number jong they odd number. If A is denoted by 4, L by 7, J by 2, R by E, H, E by 1, and I by 3, then what will be the numeric form of the word jailer when written in the reverse form? Kadai D is the correct answer. In the first and the second digit of each number and interchange, then which number will be the second lowest? 287, 289. So second lowest will be A. 827. In certain code, Incur is written as KPLCP and Glad is written as INJBC. How will Jinx be written in that code? Correct answer is C. LKOIQ. 3 of the following 4 are large in certain way based on the position of the element in the English alphabet and hence does form a group. Which one does not belong to that group? Correct answer is C. SN. If A is substituted by 2, B by 3, C by 4, D by 2, E by 3, F by 4, and so on, then what will be the total numeric value of the letter of the word line? Correct answer here is none of the above. In setting code, genius written as A Ginso, and how will garnish be written that code? Correct answer is A G N R H I S. In the coding system, ship is written as GAXXR and bleed as HPXTN. How can slit be written in that same coding system? Correct answer is A GPTNX. In setting code, 5 is written as GHWD. How is her written in that code? Correct answer is ITSS. Manam pen ire kumno ban khen kini khamsuki. Share compare number F au G de katno number jom then bisa lek kumju hi H o I. FG HI kalau komta. The IH one shadin te turo UT. Hab one shadin komta te kine gede kumtui te hab yanang ban practice. Then 126 Canadian maths. The value of 2.005 minus 1.769 is C 0.236. What is the square of 86? The correct answer is A 7396. The LCM of A 15 and 18 is 360. The price of scooty is 50,000. If the price is increased by 20%, what will the new cost of the scooty? Correct answer is D 60,000. Man sold his cow for 1980 and gained 10%. The car was bought for, correct answer number A 1800. What will be the simple interest on a sum of 2,500 at 4% per annum for 3 years? Correct answer D 300. At which rate of simple interest will 4,800 amount of 6,480 in 7 years? Correct answer is A 5%. A and B invest some money in the ratio 4:7 to start a business. If at the end of the business the total profit earned is 6,875, then the share of A is, correct answer is B 2,500. 134. A can do a piece of work in 30 days and B can do the same piece of work in 20 days. If they work together, how many days will they take to complete the work? The correct answer is 12 days. Train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pool in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? The length of the train is, correct answer is A 150 meter. 136. If day after tomorrow is Saturday, what day was 4 days before yesterday? 4 days you have to go back, so it is correct answer is C Saturday. A watch read 4:30. If the minute hand point toward east, in what direction will the hour hand point? Correct answer here is D northeast. Northeast. And 138. A dealer incur a loss of 5% if he sell an article for 1805. At what price must he sell the article so as to gain 5% on that article? Correct answer here kadai A 1995. John traveled half of his journey 139 by train at the speed of 130 km per hour, and the remaining half of the journey he traveled by car at 70 km per hour. What is the average speed? The correct answer here is A. Oh no. Correct answer here is B 91 km per hour. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 87. Find the largest of the 3 numbers. Largest is C 30. Find the value of Ganesh multiply by the plus 217 plus 183 into 183. Correct answer is A 80578. And for 142, what is the sum of the first 35 natural numbers? Share plus load where do life is on. Correct answer is B 630. If the cost price of 140 mangoes is equal to the selling price of 120 mangoes, then what is the profit percent of the transaction? Correct answer here is A 16.67. 144. If 20 men can complete a task in 15 days working 6 hours a day, then how many days will 30 men complete a task working at 5 hours per day? Correct answer is D 12 days. And 145. PSXM is related to QRYL In the same way, BFTV is related to CEUU. That is the correct answer. 146. Horse is related to hoof. In the same way, eagle is related to claw. Correct answer is claw. Face is related to expression. In the same way, hand is related to gesture. Find the odd one in the group. Balong pair nagine. Tadi tangent. B is correct answer. 149. Sima is 40 meter southwest of Ashish. Prakash is 40 meter southeast of Ashish. Prakash is in which direction with respect to Sima? The correct answer is C. Is. Pick the odd one out. Tignegic tribes. Bihil Todas Nagasari tribe. The Sikh is the correct answer. C. Sikh is the correct answer. The barok kidan new santali question jonga general awareness part aptitude. But ka full mark kadai shispa san po. Kemudian R marks away. The hangning lapan solve kabadai tangga general awareness. Part ka aptitude tesa check mapi ka no mark piyo naka shispa san po jong kane ka general awareness and general aptitude. Tesa comment apa comment section ka no piyo na kini gi shispa san po mark. Te tang kini kublai jubun.